this time, community is needed more than ever. We vote for what it is we desire to see shine bright at the end of this long dark tunnel with our contributions. Your contributions will go towards keeping 3 elements a reality so that we can keep serving our purpose and our mission to uplift our community through body, mind, and spirit. We are so grateful and so thankful for your contributions to create the community that we all desire. We are all deeply connected. We are all deeply one. And let's bring that higher truth down to this reality. I thank you. I love you. All the best to you and yours. Let's see our community turn into what it is we truly desire. All the best.